Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use GPT chat for free. GPT chat is hundreds of information helpers because GPT chat is knowledgeable in all areas. You can ask him about absolutely anything and create different subchats for each topic. Let me ask GPT chat to tell you what GPT chat is useful for. You immediately see 10 points of what you can do with GPT chat. If we asked him to write 100 points, he would dig deeper into the internet and find 100 points of what GPT chat can be useful for. We can stop generating if it is enough, or we can regenerate for a new answer. To use GPT chat, you need to open the website chat.openai.com. Now we should of course click Sign Up. To register, you need to enter your email address or continue with Google, Microsoft or Apple. Then click Continue, create a password, and then we need to confirm our phone number. After you enter your email and phone number, you get into the created account and you can immediately use GPT chat. Please note this version is GPT 3.5. There is also a paid version, GPT 4, which is more powerful, includes image generation, and uses the latest information from the internet for responses, while GPT Chat 3.5 analyzes information from the internet until 2021. Let's try to ask GPT Chat a provocative question. Why use GPT Chat when searching for information if there is a Google search engine? We send it and see that GPT chat gives a rather intelligible and structured answer to this question. GPT chat structures information from different articles into one concise answer. In fact, the answer can be any size. You can write more about point 1. Send, and GPT chat will expand the answer, seeing that you are really interested in it. That's great. If we click on our account name, we can see here custom instructions. We can customize the GPT chat to make it customizable for us. What do we need to do for this? We need to write as much information as possible. In the first box you write where are you based, what do you do for work, what are your hobbies and interests, and what are some goals you have. You can write other information that you think is relevant. And the same with the second field. How formal or casual should ChatGPT be? How long or short should responses generally be? Should ChatGPT have opinions on topics or remain neutral? Next, click on Save. Also, you should create new chats for different topics so that the context of the chats doesn't get mixed up. When a GPT chat responds to you, it uses the context of that chat only. If you are still having trouble figuring out what to write to a GPT chat to get the results you want, you can go to the OpenAI platform and choose sample prompts in examples. I choose the product name generator. A prompt is what we write in the chat to get a response. The right prompts are what will help you make friends with GPT chat. Copy this text, go back to the GPT chat room and send the task to the artificial intelligence. The GPT chat immediately offers us different variants of answers for the name of our milkshake. And there are non-trivial prompts, such as, for example, rap battle writer. Rhyming lines was initially quite difficult for AI. If you are interested, I'll tell you more about prompts in following videos. Thank you for watching, good luck and all the best!